pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Metter local, and long-distance movers near me. Any relocation distance that is more than 50 miles is a long-distance relocation. Such relocations require a lot of meticulous planning for them to be successful. To have a better chance of pulling off such relocations, you need to hire a professional firm that understands what the move needs. 3 Movers does not just offer a better chance of a successful relocation, we are your best chance. We also have the best drivers to make your move successful. They have the right qualifications and experience to ensure you are comfortable throughout the move. 3 Movers also boasts an excellent relationship with the authorities in charge of the relocation process, which helps secure the move better. To protect clients from incurred risks during the move, we provide them with insurance. Local moves are not as stressful as long-distance relocations, and they are less expensive. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour for every local move. We have a vast knowledge of the routes within and around Metter. Ask from people living in the area, as we are the best in the business. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Metter moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.